Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 2 Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with an iPhone. First, we need to check if the Bluetooth is enabled on our iPhone. So let's open the quick panel. As you can see, the Bluetooth is enabled on my phone. If it's not enabled on yours, enable the Bluetooth. Now, after you enable the Bluetooth, we need to turn on our watch. To do it, simply press and hold the side button. And once you see the Xiaomi or Mi logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until you see the list of languages. Now you can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Select the language you like to use on your watch and then tap the check mark to confirm. And now we need to download and install the Xiaomi Wear application on our phone. We can do it in two ways. We can scan the QR code from the watch, or we can open the App Store on our iPhone and just search for it in the App Store. I'm just gonna search for it in the App Store, so I'm gonna tap on the App Store icon, open the App Store. In the App Store, I'm gonna tap on search, tap on the search bar, type in Xiaomi Wear, and then tap search. And here we have this application called Xiaomi Wear Lite. Select it, then tap on the icon right here to start the installation of the application, and wait until the app is done installing. Once the app is done installing, you can tap on open, and in the app you can tap on start, tap on agree, select the region you want to use, so let's tap on region, and scroll through the list, find the region you want and tap on it to select it, then tap next. Now we can tap on device, tap on add device, and then we need to tap on OK and log in into Xiaomi account. So let's tap right here, enter the email address, give me a couple of seconds, then I'm gonna enter the password, and once you're done, you can tap on sign in. Of course, if you need to create a new account, you can tap right here to create an account. You can also log in by using the SMS, but that's less recommended option, at least in my opinion. Anyway, once you enter the credentials, tap right here to check the box and tap on sign in. And now let's tap on OK to allow the Bluetooth connection for the app. Now I'm gonna tap on not now and then tap on OK right here. As you can see, we have the list of devices. Let's select the Redmi Watch 2 Lite. Wait until the app finds your watch. Select it by tapping on it. Tap on agree. Tap on pair. Here you can allow the watch to receive the notifications from your phone. If you want to use this feature, tap on allow. If you don't, tap on don't allow. I'm gonna allow it. Now we need to tap on the check mark on our watch and tap on OK in the app. Now we can tap on done. Tap on start on our watch. As you can see, our watch is already ready to use, so we can use it now. And the app should load. Sometimes it struggles to load. It can take a minute or two. But basically, it should load to the profile page, and there you should be able to access the settings for your watch. Let's try maybe closing the app, opening it again, tapping on profile, selecting the, or rather on device, my bad. And here we have the device page for our watch. As you can see, it's trying to connect to the watch. It's kind of struggling with it, but it should reconnect after a couple seconds. And that's how you pair this watch to with an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like. on the video.